In this video, you're going to learn to make money listening music online. RadioEarn.com is the first website on our list. Radio Make is a website where you may earn money by just listening to radio music. The Radio Earn website is quite famous and many people have heard of it. It is quite basic and straightforward to use. And as you can see, you can go from creating a new account to earning money with this site in fewer than 4 steps. You can notice the excellent features of our site that you will undoubtedly like. They are very compatible with any gadget on which they give best place adverts. On this website, you may customize your radio and create precise data. A basic statics exchange with the option to payout and PayPal. The service is completely free and accessible from anywhere in the globe. You may also be compensated by bank transfer or Amazon gift card for Bitcoin. You can also get live statistics of all current listeners across the globe via PayPal right here. This website has already paid out $224,000 to one of its users. Once inside your dashboard, click to the Start Earning section and pick Listen to Radio. You may choose any of the 3 accessible radio stations and earn money per minute. When you listen to music, the points are automatically added to your account and may later be converted into real money. However, before you begin earning with this method, go to Settings and enter your payment information on this page. Personally, I like PayPal since it is the most secure way to receive money from any nation. Click on this button to learn how to start listening and earning money. When you click on a radio station, a new tab will open. Just click on this play button over here, and the music will begin playing right away. The advantage of this approach is that it may be played in the background. After the specified minutes, you may change stations, and that's all you need to accomplish on this platform. It is really easy to use and intuitive, so give it a go right now. The next site on our list is cash4minutes.com. It is a one-of-a-kind service that enables you to make money with your unused phone minutes by just listening to internet radio broadcasts. Since 2014, they have paid over £11 million. In addition, over 150,000 people are utilizing this service to make money while listening to music in 2022. The next site in our list is hitpredictor.com. This is one of the greatest websites for getting money while listening to music. The sign-up procedure is incredibly straightforward and easy on this site. You will get paid to compose new music before it is published to the public after you check in. When you are finished listening to the song, you will be routed to a website where you may leave a comment and rate the artist's music. You will receive points for listening to music on our site, which you can subsequently convert to cash. On this website, the following website on our list is musics-ray.com. You may listen to music brands, rate their songs, and earn money while doing so. Musics-ray is widely regarded as the industry's most effective talent filter. Essentially, this website was created to promote musicians that want their music to be known and to grow the worldwide fan base. By uploading their songs to portals and collecting followership, these musicians pay a fee to market their music and establish an audience. You will register as a music enthusiast in order to listen to music while earning money. This website will pay you to listen to new artists' songs. The majority of the recordings are under 30 seconds long. Even though the website only pays a few cents each song, this is a great way to supplement your income. Music X-Rays is a reasonably simple website to make money by listening to music in 2022. First, you cannot listen to a music for less than 30 seconds. As a result, you will not be credited with any funds. Second, after listening to the tune, you have the option of becoming a fan or declining. You will still be paid for the track in any case. You pay attention to everything. So it's great if you modify your music choices on a weekly basis since you'll receive more tracks to listen to and more recommended songs to enjoy. Musics-Ray enables users to cash out via PayPal. Only the bare minimum for compensation. You may cash out many times for a total of $20. The second website on our list is Current Datas, which, as you can see, allows you to play music and earn up to $600 a year based on 20 to 30 hours of listening to music every week. You may discover how you can make money by listening to music on the site right here. First, you will listen to the music on the Current app. Second, listening to music will give you current points. Finally, you can spend your money. The Current app includes over 100,000 radio stations that you can listen to and earn money from. You may also use this service to find your favorite music and earn money while listening to it. This software offers several payment choices. And if you grow tired of listening to music, you can still make money by doing surveys, playing free games, viewing short movies, buying online, or even charging your phone. In addition, if you refer a friend to this site, it will give you $25 in current points each person. You can also add your friends, and they will pay you 5% of their profits for the first 10 withdrawals they make. And if you combine all 3 applications, you may earn a decent weekly income. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video, and if you want to discover other methods to generate money, click on the video that's now playing on the screen.